What's the matter, baby boy? What is the matter, Mr. Jayden? Hello, Mr. Jayden. Welcome to the world, Mr. Jayden. Well, you've been in the world for 3 months. You know that? Today I will be vlogging because we are going to the beach. It is Jayden's first time at the beach and we are so excited. And today is also his 3-month day. I won't say birthday. So I will be doing a 3-month update. He's currently eating. So once he's done and we get to the beach and we get settled in, I will check back in with you guys. Okay? Alright guys, so we just got to the beach. I keep losing my hat. Jayden is asleep. Let me just show you guys the setup because I guess because of Corona, it's social distancing. So they have cones so you can park every other spot. So this is the upper baby bassinet that we're gonna use for our picnic day. Right, JD? He's just staring at the water. Baby, let me see you. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Hey, are you okay? Johnny, not so much. Not so much.
Jayden? Jayden, hi! Hi, Jayden! Hi! Thank you, boy! Hi! Why you look so serious? Why you look so serious?
Hey guys, so I decided to start Jayden's 3-month update now. While we're outside, we're at the beach. He's 3 months old today. June 8th. He was actually born on March 8th. He's eating about 4 ounces every 2 hours. I mean, I actually have not been giving him bottles that much anymore. We've really been doing a lot of breastfeeding. So, but that's approximately how much he eats when he does do a bottle.
What'd you say?
He's so much more active now. Before, like, I'll be able to put him in a stroller or in a car seat and he'll go straight to sleep. Now he's like awake and looking at everything and just observing the scenery. So I love that. He is social smiling a whole lot. I mean, he's been social smiling since about a month old, but now he is laughing. I got his first laugh like 2 weeks ago. I'll insert a clip and it was so cute. I couldn't wait for that.
Yeah. Yeah, and then once that's done.
So he really likes to be around family, and he gets so happy when we're like in the mix of all of our family. Right, JD? You like seeing everybody? Uh-oh. What's the matter? His happiest moments, I think, are in the morning. He's very happy when he wakes up. He's like babbling. It's kind of like he's telling me about how he slept and whatever he dreamt about. So he just like talks to me in the morning. I try to play with him. We do tummy time a few times a day. I actually opened a new play mat for him, so we're playing that. And we went to Bye Baby and picked up a few toys. Yeah, he really likes like crinkly noises, so like plastic bags, paper bags, and stuff like that. He loves that. He loves like when his dad puts him in the air like he's an airplane and like does shoo. He loves those things.
Caused disease, insanity, and a bunch of other medical and psychological illnesses, which we all know is not true nowadays. So what they would do is they would cut off the most sensitive part of the penis to try to prevent the child from touching himself, to prevent them from getting whatever disease that was.
He's still not sleeping. I mean, he sleeps. He maybe wakes up like 2 or 3 times throughout the night, but he's not sleeping in his crib yet. He is sleeping in the bed with us, which we would like to eventually get him out of that. But right now, he is in the bed. I actually do go back to work in 3 weeks, so I'm trying to put him on some kind of schedule so that it's just easier for my boyfriend or whoever will be watching him. I'm very sad about going back to work. I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss being home with you, Jayden. Hi. Hi, JD. Overall, for me, my 3-month postpartum update, I am feeling a bit better. If you've watched my postpartum body video or anything like that, I actually do feel a bit better. I am starting to just do a lot of self-care things. I'm trying new things with my hair. I am spending time with family, and also I saw my friends for the first time since Corona and everything has started. So overall, I feel like I am in a better mind state than I was. What else do we want to say, JD? He's just not interested in being on camera right now. I'm learning how to love myself for the way I am and not rushing the process. So that is the most important thing going on with me. I think he's cranky because this is his nap time. Right, JD? Yeah. You want a nap? We're gonna leave the beach in a little bit. He's sleeping now. We made one last stop so we could see the lighthouse. Sorry guys, I had to finish the 3-month update without Jayden because he is miserable and I had to put him down for a nap when we got back from the beach. But just to let you guys know, he is much more alert now. He likes to play, he likes to put things in his mouth, and he also is like drooling a lot more, which I think may be a sign of early teething from everything that I've been reading. So I will keep you guys updated on teething and anything like that that might go on. He's really such a happy baby. Like, I have not a lot of complaints. He really only cries when he's hungry. Like, he doesn't even cry when his diaper needs to be changed. Like, only when he's hungry he cries. So yeah, and he's very sweet. Like, he smiles at everybody, he goes to everybody. I mean, I live in a big household, and there's a lot of people here, so but he does interact with everyone. He smiles with everyone, everything like that. He loves people, it seems like, I should say, at least for now. In terms of sleeping, he does sleep. The longest I would say that he has slept is probably 4 hours, but for the most part he stays within the 2 to 3 hour range, even in the nighttime. Like, he doesn't really sleep through the night, but the good thing is that when he does wake up, it's kind of just to eat and go right back to sleep. Sometimes out of like a 7-day week, let's say, he may give me a hard time to go back to sleep like 3 days. So 4 days he'll usually just eat and go right back to sleep, and then the other days he might want to stay up and like play around with us. I feel like it depends on what his nap times were looking like before. He does like to like look at phones and televisions and like bright lights, and he's very in tune with sounds and everything like that. So really, like, if I'm trying to put him to sleep, I cannot be on a phone or anything because he'll just be staring at the phone like this. Hey, this is not your phone. He's really trying to get to my phone. In terms of movement, we have been doing tummy time since he was like days old, so he does like move. If you put him on his tummy, he does kind of crawl. It's not like major, but he does crawl. You'll see him like progressively move from one area to another, but it takes a very long time. And also rolling over, he has rolled over a few times, which was like surprising to us, but it's not like a regular thing. Like, I can leave him on his back, and like probably 1 out of every 3 times will he end up on his stomach. So alright, I really didn't want to make this video too long, so if you mamas have any other questions, any concerns, anything like that, just leave a comment below and I will reply. But yeah, my baby is 3 months old. I really cannot even believe that I have a freaking 3-month-old. Like, what is going on? And if you know me, you know, like, I don't even think it's fully set into me that I have a 3-month-old baby. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I will let me know if you guys want updates on a monthly basis. Okay, bye guys.